What's going on, everybody? This is the Fanny 21 back once again. And this is a 20-inch belt-driven Sears Homart home cooler. Manufactured sometime back in the mid to late 50s. Uses a 1.6 horsepower Craftsman motor, 2-speed. The fan itself's in pretty decent shape. Got this thing from actually a Habitat restore. And it was just dropped off as it was sitting outside. And I asked the clerk inside, if the fan was for sale. Yeah, and it's like, yeah, I'll give you like $5 for it. I said, sure. So came home with me. The fan was really filthy when I first got it. It apparently was used in some sort of garage because it had all kinds of grease all over this fan. And something, I'm not sure what the world's going on with this thing, but it's like the entire cabinet on this thing is offset over this way a little bit off the top from the bottom. You can tell this because you can see how the blade, kind of doesn't fit inside the shroud as perfectly as it should. It seems like it either suffered some shipping damage or someone backed into the dang on thing. I have no idea. But without further ado, we'll give this thing a demonstration. This is a 2-speed fan. And of course the air gets blown out this way, because these are exhaust only fans. And I'm not sure if these fans are marketed, from the Sears stores, or if they're only available in the Sears kit houses. There was a few different variations of this fan. The very first ones were labeled as Honor built. Then they had the Homarts. And I believe in the very mid to late 60s, they've sold one similar to this, but in more of a box fan style, probably labeled as Kenmore. So these have been around for quite a few years back in the past. They're fairly common, and it's always cool to get a hold of one because these things are insanely powerful fans. And without further ado, I'll give this thing a demonstration. Now, I'm not sure if the fan runs as well as it should be, because the belt on the thing is probably original and it's fairly worn. I need to get a new one. So without further ado, we'll start it up. And this is high speed. Here's low. Take it back up to high. And we'll go and shut it down. You can hear the centrifugal switch in the motor disengaging here. That's why I hear that clucking sound. And there you go. So this has been a video of a 20-inch belt-driven Homart home cooler by the Sears Roebuck and Company. A bit of a tribute video, since the Sears company, after 100 years of business, is finally closing its doors due to bankruptcy. They filed for bankruptcy in the past few weeks ago. So the company will soon be no more, if it hasn't already. Kind of a shame, but that's what happens when poor management gets a hold of a great store and dwindles it down to nothing. So there you go. At least we have reminders of like this, from when the company was at its peak. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video on this Sears Homart home cooler. Take care.